Hello and welcome to my tutorials from the File ICT Academy video library. In this other lesson, I'm going to show you how to manage folders. Now, I'm not just going to show you how to create a folder and subfolders. I'm also going to show you how to customize a folder to best suit the types of files you are going to store there. Now, right now, I'm on my desktop, so I'm just going to right click on the desktop, then I click on New. Then I click on the folder icon, which will automatically create a new folder for me. So before I do anything, I'm just gonna name the folder. Let's say I name it as master folder. Then I press enter to apply the name. Now when I place my mouse cursor on the folder, it gives me some information about the folder. Here I have the date it was created and the time, and it also says empty folder because it's a new folder and nothing is stored there. Now when I right click on the folder, I have bunch of options here like open, center, cut, copy, create shortcut, but I'm going to click on the properties so that I can view the properties of the folder. Now in the properties dialog box here, as you can see, I have 5 tabs. I have general, sharing, security, previous versions, and customize. So here you have the name of the folder type, the location the folder is, the size. As you can see, the size on this and the size is 0 bytes because an empty folder does not take any space. Now here it says it contains what? 0 files and 0 folders because there is no file saved in the folder and there is no subfolder also inside that folder. And here also we have another information which says when it was created. So the folder was created today, October 2nd, 2013, a minute ago. And you also have some other options here. Good. Now I'm going to cancel the box and I go back to my folder. Now if I want to open the folder, to view the folder, I can use 3 options. If I want, I can right click on the folder, then click on open. This will automatically open the folder. Or I can double click, that means left clicking twice to open the folder. Another option also is if I click or select the folder, I can press the enter key to open the folder. Now when the folder is opened, you'll see that you have the storage area. Within the storage area, it says what this folder is empty because nothing is there. And when you look above here, you have the master folder, the name of the folder, and you have other directories here. Now what I'm going to do is to show you how to create a subfolder, that is a folder inside a folder. So I can use the same method I used before to create this master folder by just right clicking inside the folder, then I go to new, then I click on what? Folder. Then what I'm going to do is to name the folder. Let's say I name it as music, then I press enter. Now I can also use another method. Let's say when you look above here, you have a button here which says create a new empty folder. So I'll just click on it, then it will automatically create a new folder for me. So let's say I name that one as pictures, then I press enter. Now another way of creating a folder, let's say now we want to use the keyboard, so we can press Ctrl Shift and N. That's letter N. Control Shift and letter N will create a new folder for you. So let's type video, then press enter. Now remember, the shortcut to create a folder, which is Control Shift and N, only works on Windows 7 and Windows 8. It does not work on Windows XP. Now when you look at here, we have 3 folders. We have a folder for music, pictures, and video, and these are subfolders under the master folder which is on our desktop. Now when I come here, I will have more options which are some of the view controls. So I can change the way I view my folders by sliding, see, to make it small, or if I want, I can just click on them. Let's say I click on details. This will show me the details of the folder, right? Good. Now let's say I want to customize this folder, but first let me just close this, then go back to the master folder, then right click, then go to properties. Now if I go to the properties now, as you can see, still is 0 bytes because the folders, they don't contain space. they don't take space. But when you look at here now, I'm having what, 3 folders. It will tell me that your master folder now is containing 3 folders. Now as you can see, it before it was saying what 1 minute ago, but now it says 4 minutes ago. Now I'm going to open it again. So let's say I just increase this to, let's say, large icons. Now in some cases you might be very boring. For me, I'm always boring seeing the same kind of icons for all the folders. So you can easily customize a folder by changing the icon and specifying which type of files you want to save in a particular folder. So I'm going to right click on the music folder, then I go to properties, then I'll go to the last tab here, which is customize. Now when I click on customize, here I have some options. It says what kind of folder do you want. Optimize this folder for what, general items. By default, all folders are set to what, general items. So when I click on this drop down arrow, I have some options here. Either the folder is going to contain documents, pictures, music, and videos. So the folder is going to contain music, so I'm going to click on music. Then I can say apply, also apply this template for all subfolders. So when I click on it, now I have other options here, which is folder pictures. Choose a file to show on this icon. Now I can click on choose file so that I can set an image on that folder. So I can go to pictures. Let me just open the sample pictures here. Then let's say I choose this picture, then I click open. Now let me just apply it and see the changes. So when I click apply, the folder picture will be there, and I can also come down and click change icon. So here I have a bunch of icons, so I'm just going to choose something that will represent. Let's say I choose this CD, click OK, then I apply. Then you'll see automatically the icon will change to a music CD because that's the icon I choose. So this is easy for you to identify the type of content that is inside a folder. Now when I'm done, I'm just going to click OK, then my settings will be on that particular folder. Now I will come to the next folder and change that folder's icon too. So I can right click, same options, I go to properties, customize, then this one I will change to pictures because I'm going to be storing pictures there. I can change the icon, come here, scroll, I look for a perfect, okay, let me just go, okay. Let's say I use this camera, apply, then OK. I've set that one. Then I can come to the videos folder. I go to properties, customize, then I click on videos because I'm going to be storing videos there. Also apply this template to all subfolders. I change the icon and I scroll. Okay, let's say I choose this video camera, apply, and I click OK. Now as you can see, I have customized my folders based on the type of files they are going to store, and I have also changed their icons. Now this is an easy way of customizing a particular folder. Now let's say I want to delete a folder. Let's say I don't need the pictures folders anymore. I can right click on the folder, then I delete, then I will confirm, say yes. Then when a file is deleted, it doesn't delete from the computer, it's stored in a location called the recycle bin. So when I open the recycle bin right now, so I just double click, then it will show me the deleted file, the file that I just deleted. So I can right click on the file, then say restore. So when I click restore, then it will automatically restore the folder back to where it was. Now I can also use this option. Let's say I delete it. Now before I do anything, when I automatically change my mind, I can just press the Ctrl and Z, or I can right click and say what, undo delete. This will also restore the files. I hope this tutorial helps, and I guess you'll be able to also perform the same functions when dealing with folders, how you can easily manage your folders. Thanks for watching, and do go to File ICT Academy and watch more video tutorials. Bye bye.